Retire with confidence because your paycheck shows up every month guaranteed. Let me ask you something. If the paycheck stopped but the bills didn't, how long would your savings last for retirement? And how would that make you feel? Because statistically, right now, 52% of Americans say they're more afraid of running out of money than they are of death itself. That tells you just how bad it is and how serious it needs to be looked at. But before we jump in, make sure you guys like, follow, subscribe to the channel to get simple financial content. And don't forget to click the link in the description to get your free budget, ask questions, and to sit down and schedule a consultation with me. But let's get right into it. Today, I want to talk about something that every retiree needs, but almost no one's taught. And that's how to create a retirement paycheck plan, a system that pays you every month, whether the market goes up, it goes down, it goes sideways, it doesn't matter. And one of the most reliable tools for building this kind of stability is a fixed index annuity. So let me break it down for you folks in very simple terms. A fixed index annuity. But first off, what is a retirement paycheck plan? That's what you want to know. A retirement paycheck plan is exactly what it sounds like. You design your assets so they work together to replace your paycheck that you used to get when you were working. Because here's the truth, folks. You don't retire on assets. You retire on the income from your assets. Your bills don't care how much is in your 401k. They only care whether the money shows up on time for whatever you owe. So where do fixed index annuities fit into this kind of strategy? Well, folks, it's perfect. Let me show you how it works pretty much. The fixed index annuities, FIAs, all right, they're insurance products designed to give you protected principal. Your money can't go backwards due to the market. Linked index growth, so you could earn interest based on the market performance, but never lose anything from the market drop. Then you have guaranteed income. You could turn it on like a monthly paycheck for the rest of your life. So think of it as the foundation of your retirement income, the part that keeps paying even if the market breaks or completely crashes. It's not your whole retirement, but some of your retirement. And I tell people you want to use it as part of your retirement. So ask yourself, if the market drops 30%, the year after you retired, would you be able to keep the same lifestyle? Would you be able to do what you need, or are you going to have to spend less? Or what would you feel to know that your basic bills, your housing, your food, insurances, utilities, all that stuff is automatically covered no matter what the market's doing? And now that's how fixed index annuities create yourself a paycheck strategy. With those, you could attach a income rider that guarantees income monthly for life. And here's how it typically works. You want to add up your monthly expenses, subtract your guaranteed sources, your social security, your pensions, rental income, all that. And whatever the gap that you have left, put that in for your fixed index annuity. You're risking your investments, your stocks, your mutual funds, real estate, let them keep growing. So I'm not saying don't let those go, but have something in place that can handle your needs while your other assets handle your wants, right? So you want to have your other things take care of what you want to do, but have guaranteed, folks. So how does it work? Some people, you have a 401k rollover, a portion of their IRA, lump sum from selling a home or a business, savings that they wanted to protect. All those is what they use to put inside annuities. And the goal isn't to put all your money, it's to create enough guaranteed income so you feel financially secure, right? That's huge. So the pros and cons. So what are the pros for using annuities for retirement paychecks? You get predictable monthly income. You get no market loss on your principal. You get tax deferred growth. You get that peace of mind. It removes stress from your investment portfolio and helps protect against a sequence of returns risk, the number one retirement killer. Right. Now, there are also cons. Understand, the money usually has limits on early withdrawals. You have interest caps, right? Participation rates that limit what you could get. Not all annuities are created equal. Some are far better than others. Income riders, they generally come with a fee. So none of these are necessarily deal breakers, but there are things you need to understand if you're going to choose a fixed index annuity as the product. But the $1 million question is, the big question when it comes to fixed index annuities, do you want your retirement to depend on the market, or do you want a paycheck you could count on no matter what? Most people realize they want both. They want the growth, they want the security. That's why retirement paycheck plans work. It blends the best, right, of both worlds. So you could get a lot of the pros, some of the cons, but work it perfectly. So if you want to create retirement where your bills are covered, your income steady, right? Your stress is low, a retirement paycheck plan using fixed index annuities, it could be the solution. And you don't have to figure it out on your own, folks. There's a lot of different things. Do your research. But I always tell people, if you want to know how these things could work, reach out to me. If you find it helpful, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But click on the link in the description where you can schedule a consultation just to see if it works for you. Because this doesn't work for everybody. There's certain things that you need to understand if it could work for you, if it's short term, if it's long term. Figure out all those before you decide on what to do. But always make sure that you get a financial professional to help you set this up, because if you don't do it correctly, it could cost you an arm and a leg of time, fees, and money, folks. So with that being said, ladies and gents, just here to drop a few cents. You're here to retire with Earl, and I'll see you on the next one.